Hello everyone, so today's video we're going to show you how to program this Chamberlain clicker remote onto this LiftMaster garage opener screwdriver type right here. In my neighbor's garage that he has a problem with his remotes that's not working, so he called me over here to get it programmed. And this one has a red learn button, and you just need to pop off the cover and press this learn button until the light is lighting solid, and then go to your garage door opener and press your learn button and then press it until the light flash. And you saw the light flash, that means that the machine had confirmed it as you saw the lights flash. Or if you hear a relay click, that's a sign that the garage opener confirmed it. And then press this learn button until the light turns off, and then that means it's locked in program. And now when you press the garage opener button, and then boom, now your garage door operates. And that's how you program a garage opener clicker remote on a Chamberlain garage opener. And then you press the remote again, then the garage opens.